Oh man, look at that. It looks so yummy, D.
I know.
Me and D just got the Mickey Mouse shake in front of Schmoozies. You enjoying that?
Yeah.
Oh, don't eat the cookie. Let me see it before you eat it all. Oh no, you wipe the sprinkles off. I like how they put the buttons in the front.
I know.
What do you think they are? I'm gonna eat it. M&M's.
Look at the ears go down when I drink it.
Go drink it? I'm thinking. Dun, dun, you got your ears on.
Hey baby, I have a cookie.
Oh, give me a cookie. All right, baby, eat the cookie.
Oh, I got a cookie in here.
I need a picture of you eating the cookie.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I love Oreos. They're so good. What are you looking at? What were you holding about?
That Oreo DJ mix thing I saw was $27 online.
Is it a real? What does it do? It just spins, huh?
It just spins, and there's a double pack to put regular size Oreos, and it comes with a single spinning server for the overstuffed Oreos, and includes the cookies in it too, so you can spin it.
How much?
$27.
Oh my God.
It's called the Oreo DJ Mixer.
Let me go back. DJ Mixer by Oreo. That's so funny. Yeah, the M&M's.
He's ready for food and wine. Go ahead.
Oh my God. You're like my favorite guest. Oh, you are awesome. Do you like how I don't get your face? I apologize.
Oh no, it's fine.
I got him that time, about 6 times now.
Have a good day.
First stop of the day, Dee's gonna order the buffalo style turkey leg. Oh, want me to come? Let's go.
Yeah, I need a time.
Yeah.
Oh, the turkey leg does not work with the Savor table.
No.
No.
Where's this fine print?
We have it right here.
Man, sip and savor right here.
Yes.
Oh.
The tacos, the pot, and the meatball stuff.
So is it like that at all of?
I believe they have like a certain menu that you guys can choose from. And then you can also get the black forest part.
So we can get what, the fish? What's this?
That's the no meatball sub.
That's the impossible?
Yeah.
Impossible no meatball submarine. And what else? What's this?
The beer braised pork tacos.
You want to try anything from here? Or you want to think about it?
I'll get the turkey leg still because I know you want to try it. We'll buy it. But do you still want to use something on the tab, or you just want to get the turkey leg?
We'll just get the turkey leg in.
Okay.
Buffalo style turkey leg. Oh my God. This is what you go. This is not on the sip and savor menu.
No, it's not.
We found out the hard way.
We bought it.
So we actually just bought it because it really looked really good. It's got like ranch drizzle on it, green onions, and blue cheese. Not a big blue cheese man. That'll be for D. All for D.
Yeah.
But I will scrape that off and have some buffalo style. But since I hold the camera, D's gotta cut it open. Yeah, cut it on this side. It's meatier on this side. I seem like it's a regular turkey leg. Yeah, it looks like it's just been like really sauced up in the buffalo style. The inside is just the same color, so you can't shoot. It's not spicy, but it is delicious.
Yeah.
It's some salsa on there. First try. Oh no!
Not a buffalo.
Not a buffalo. Is that what you coughed to a little bit? My turn. I don't know. I like spicy stuff, so. Well, yeah, if you weren't ready for it, you would have coughed too. Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Definitely. Try this, guys. Definitely try the buffalo style turkey leg. It's a buffalo turkey. You ever seen a buffalo turkey? They still can't fly. And just like that. We're moving on to the next one. Let's go. And we received this Kiko nuggets at our favorite table.
Yes.
Right in front of Little Mermaid.
Yes.
This one.
Because I like to look at the water. You don't have my view. Put the view like how I'm looking at.
Okay, so like this.
So this is how I eat my snacks. See? I eat my food. I have my view. That's what I like.
Okay.
So give them my view. There you go.
But you need to stand here though, facing me. Now it's not your view. Now
No, I don't have my view.
now it's their view.
I guess. A little bit of bacon, little corn.
That bacon looks extremely delicious. It's like thick cut bacon. What do you think, D? Because D wasn't a big fan of the buffalo style turkey leg, but I knew corn. She loves corn.
Corn inside.
Yeah, it's like corn nuggets. Ooh. Already. Too much?
Now I need that napkin back. You dropped some. Why you don't play with your food?
I thought you don't play with my food.
Give me a napkin.
Yeah, one. I wish you guys were playing with me. Actually, I get it, man. Look at.
You're so messy. I can't take you anywhere.
I don't want to hear it, D. I don't want to hear it.
Well, I
You do
guess
this
you
to
don't
me
eat
every.
anymore.
You do this to me every time we do food and wine. Last time you wouldn't give me no queso fundido. Nom nom. I didn't think I was gonna get any of these either because bacon and corn nuggets. Is it good? It's sweet. You gonna give me some this time?
Yeah.
Better.
You better.
It's like corn in a cup
It does.
because they put the crema on, the mayonnaise, and
They
corn.
put some little seasoning on top
That's
of
the
it.
chili you get with it.
Oh, okay.
And what makes it different is the bacon.
The bacon.
The thick cut bacon up in there. Oh man, it's good. Very good. What do you say, group? Next! So they have ran out of the pork belly.
Yeah.
We'll be back though. It's okay. Do you want to get a picture with your group?
You too, stupid. Come here.
Oh, me too. Okay, cool. I don't know I was part of this.
I'll turn Groot's head. Both of you look over here.
Did you get for getting corn nuggets on me? The Harris Ranch slider. It's Harris
Look how
Ranch steak.
thick the meat is.
Last year it was a little raw. For me, it was good though.
It was good. Not a lot of people like their meat a little pink. They want it.
And what's the
they
green
want
stuff?
They want it overcooked. Called.
Some people like this stuff well
AKA
done.
Well done.
They want well done,
That's
dude.
overcooked. No more flavor. That's why you have to use steak sauce. If the meat is cooked properly, you don't need steak sauce.
If you use steak
And
sauce,
seasoning.
then you know what, you're burnt.
Then you ruined it.
You ruined your steak.
You're well done. You burnt it.
But I know it's real sticky. You just eat it raw. But let's try this one out, dude. Why does it
My
look?
little mouth.
Why does it look bigger last this year?
It don't fit.
I don't. I think I need to. How was the bread? The bread, dude. Was it delicious? Did it taste like steak?
It's good. It's not as pink. It's a little pink.
Oh, you
but
got
not
some
as pink.
Oh, see, no. This time they like it's like medium.
Yeah, last year
Medium
was a
well.
little more on the pinkish side.
Squish it down a little bit. What do you think?
It's good. I like
Good,
it.
just like last year? Yeah, well, last year was a little raw. Here, give me. I like that they use the pickled onions.
Yes. It's really good. Nice and tender and soft. Nom 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 nom.
One more bite. Then I'll think about giving it back to you.
You better. You better.
It's perfect for my mouth. You can't even, your mouth can't even go around it. You have to unlatch
That's
your
why I
jaw.
had to squeeze the buns.
You have to unlatch your jaw like a snake. Look, I'm gonna take a little bite. Use that napkin.
Messy.
Yeah, it's pesto sauce.
That's what it is.
But they
pesto.
add something to it because it tastes a little like Swedish. Oh yeah. Yeah, throw that trash up. What do we say next, D?
Next.
This is the soy braised pork belly.
My
Banh mi.
pie.
Banh mi. Banyu. Yeah, this
So
is
tender. It started coming out as it took a bite.
Oh no. I mean, it's probably super tender. Good stuff, huh? Let me check.
It's good. There's some cabbage, cilantro.
What's this stuff?
I don't know.
Let's try it.
It's delicious.
Sweet, savory, and extremely juicy meat. Okay, I say get this one too. And we got ourselves the ghost pepper mac and cheese.
I love mac and cheese.
I know you do.
I don't know about this.
It's
one.
ghost pepper.
I'm a little scared.
Why? Because it's a ghost?
Yeah,
It's a ghost pepper.
It smells hot.
Does it? It smells spicy. You take a little bite. Oh, that was too much. That was too much. Uh-oh.
It's hot, and you didn't bring me anything to drink.
I didn't buy anything to drink. I forgot to. Is it spicy?
It's spicy.
Oh no! Give me some. Mmm.
It's
Here,
good.
you can get my face. But it's good?
Yeah.
Is it like, because I see it's like white cheese.
Yeah, it's a white cheddar. Let me get out of the sun. It's a white cheddar, and I don't know, chili seasoning.
I think that's a pepper. Oh no, it's supposed to be like chili cheese corn chip.
Oh yeah.
Let's try it out. Fritos.
Yeah. It's good. It's not spicy to you, I know, because you eat a lot of spicy stuff.
Mexican.
I'm going with the Gwen Stefani music right now.
Don't let my skin fool you. I'm Mexican. Oh, it's good. I'm glad you don't want any of this.
Let me have some more. I think, so what's hot? Is it the mac and cheese?
The ghost peppers are in the sauce, the cheese sauce.
In the sauce, huh?
It is. I don't think the mac and cheese is very hot. It does have the pepper.
It has a little bit of spiciness for me. For someone that doesn't eat chili,
it's spicy.
Spicy. But someone like you that eats chili all the time, no, it's not spicy.
Big win here. How we get this again?
Yes, this is really good. I like this. This is the citrus pot roast. At Citrus, what was this booth called? The Citrus booth, I don't remember.
But this looks like a pot roast.
Yes, there's pot roast.
You guys got coleslaw in it. This time is really coleslaw.
Fritos, I know, not like the turkey leg.
I promise you it's coleslaw.
Yeah.
Eat it. It probably tastes good,
Oh, it is
with
good.
the coleslaw. Pork belly. Let's see. Looks like it tastes like picnic food. Oh.
Very tender. I like that.
You like it? Tastes funny to me.
Is it the coleslaw mix?
It's good. The meat's tender. Not my favorite though. You like it, Dee?
I do.
What do you have? Mac and cheese.
Dee likes it.
I like it.
I don't know what to think about it. I'm iffy about it. I probably wouldn't get this again. It looks good though, but Dee on the other hand, if you have Dee's taste buds, which is maximum deliciousness, she likes it. She likes it. Pizza, egg roast 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 pizza, egg roast.
You know, I was waiting to try these.
Really?
It has both pesto sauce and marinara sauce.
Yeah, it comes with both.
So you can
And
try
a little
them.
bit of cheese.
A little bit of Parmesan cheese.
That's one each. That's for one meat.
Wait, I'll fill it off.
It's an egg roll. That's not a burrito.
Gotta get this pesto and pick up the cheese back up.
Is it good with the pesto? Ooh, look at the
Pepper on the
pizza.
inside.
I'll get some of that marinara. How was the pesto?
It's good.
Yeah? I can smell it from here. Oh, so pizza-y. Pizza-y? Let's try the marinara sauce first. Recommended by Dee.
You guys dip it and then put the cheese back on. Yeah, like that.
It's the only thing you can order at that craft beer place. Oh, it's good. It's like a really crunchy hot pocket.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's very good. That's a win. I would get the pizza egg rolls again.
Oh, yeah. Next up, classic.
The FRUSHI.
FRUSHI.
You know, I really loved it last year, so I had to get it again this year.
It's a fruit sushi.
Yes, I love the strawberry.
Let's get it.
Get some.
Just stab it. You'll drop it like that.
No. Look
No,
at,
you wanna
look
show
at
it?
the middle.
Ooh, turn it around.
The cherry filling.
It's cherry. Turn it around the other way. The other way. As you can see it on this side too. Oh, there's strawberries.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is like my favorite thing that we had last year. I recommend people getting this here for the food and wine. Everything we've been eating today has milk in it.
Snoop Dogg, see? Snoop Dogg.
Eating food and wine, baby. Eating food and wine, baby. It's time for some berry pie.
The gold berry pie.
Mmm. You think that's real gold?
No.
It is. It's edible gold. Snoop said it's gold.
Yeah.
What kind of berries are in there? Strawberries?
Well, this is strawberries, these are blackberries, these are raspberries, and these are blueberries.
Oh, yeah, they are. I thought they were cherries. Yeah, and blueberries, huh?
So they're different. And there's a custard down in there, I can see. It's kind of hard to
get the bites in.
Yeah. And there's a berry filling in there, I can see.
Nommers. Nommers.
Wow, that's really good. The berry filling down in there.
Ooh. Hold on, let me get my fork in there. Ooh, look at that.
See, and there's custard on top right here.
And the bottom, look. That purple stuff. Very nice. Very nice.
Very good.
That is very good. Very, very good.
I'm gonna eat the gold berry.
Get the gold berry, D. Let me see you eat it.
Oh.
She's worth millions now. Where's your weight in gold now? Another food and wine
I think
festival.
I like this better than the FRUSHI.
Yeah?
Yeah, and the FRUSHI was my favorite.
Oh no, FRUSHI's good. I still say the FRUSHI's good. She's tired. She's full. She's tired. Slowing down. Oh, she's slowing down. Ooh. Another food and wine festival done.
Yes, very
Done.
cool.
I know Dee's full. I'm full. We all full. Ready to go home.
Yes. Time to go home. Take a nap. Ready for nap time.
I know. So is Groot. Chef Groot.
Chef Groot.
I'm Chef Tired. Chef Super.